kids! Welcome to Kids School Art! Today, we are drawing a fire truck. Let's draw with me! First, we are drawing the front part of our fire truck. Now, we are drawing the front wheel. Wow! So nice! Do you know the work of a fire truck? It is used to put off fire. Fire truck helps us in emergencies. Now we are drawing back the wheel of our fire truck. Now we are drawing a siren. Wow, it looks very awesome. Now we are drawing our brave hero. Yes, a fireman. They are a very brave person. They put off fire and rescue people. Now we are drawing a ladder. We are drawing a pipe. It is used to throw water. Our drawing is complete. Let's do coloring. So cute drawing. Our drawing looks so beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Our drawing looks so beautiful. You are an awesome artist. Super Star. Well done. Give yourself a big, big hug. drawings! Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!